What's up, guys? Just want to do a quick little video. One of the issues I've been having in this new place is really very low light. So as you can see, really can't see too great, and you know, in my early 40s, my vision isn't what it used to be. So rather than get another one of those, I got one of those. So we went from this to this. Right. So without, all right, with. Holy cow, so much light now. And if you guys are looking for the info, it's sold at Walmart. HyperTough 5500 lumen 4-foot linkable LED shop light. Go ahead, check it out. I got it on sale for $14.97. Till the next one.